Want to check someone's online status on WhatsApp if hidden? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily find out if they are online or not. First thing first, head over to your application WhatsApp. Make sure you are logged in into your account. Once you're in the home page, move into your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you need to head over to privacy. Move into last seen and online at the very top. Right here, you need to set the settings to everyone. Once you have set the settings to everyone, then only you will be able to see whether they are online or not. So make sure to set it to everyone and go back to your chat section. Now move into the inbox of the person that you want to see whether they are online or not. Now if they haven't set the settings to everyone, then you will not be able to view if they are online or not. The other way to check is simply send them a message. If it shows double tick mark, then they might be online. And also if they reply immediately, it means that they are online. So this is simply how you can check whether they are online or not if hidden. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.